When you launch the Rooted in Language Tiles app, you are greeted with the main screen. There are tray buttons in 3 of the corners. Press a tray to open it. We'll open letters. Press and hold a tile to pick it up, then drag and drop it onto the main screen. Tiles in this tray are organized by sound. If more than one phonogram can create a sound, it will be in a tile drawer, which appears as stacked tiles. Broken vowel teams are picked up together, but separate when dropped. Use the plus and minus buttons to add and remove plates. Pressing the bottom of the plate will toggle the sound line. Dropping a tile on the plate will snap it to the plate. Now you can push and pull the tile along a track while sounding out the words aloud. When doing the push-pull exercise, if you press the tile without moving for a full second, it will pick the tile up off the plate. If a tile is in the upper half of the plate, or if there is no tile, you can write on the plates. Move the tile or press X to clear the handwriting. To delete a tile, drop it into the trash. Press Clear All to clear the tiles, handwriting, and sound lines. The capitalization button is along the top bar. Tiles can be dropped directly onto the plates. If there's already a tile on a plate, the newly dropped tile will replace it. Let's open affixes. This tray is divided into prefixes, consonant suffixes, and vowel suffixes. You might want to see only a subset of the available tiles. Press Edit Tray, and then press tiles to hide or show them. You can also show all and hide all in the upper right. Let's open Miscellaneous. While editing the tray, you can also make new custom tiles with the Create Tile button. Type in the text you want, choose a color, and your custom tile will be added to the bottom of the list in that tray. The minus icon on your custom tile will delete that tile. Let's use the main screen with 0 plates to practice building words with a base word and affixes. The gear icon will take you to the settings screen. Here you can toggle between light mode and dark mode. You can also configure profiles, which lets you easily switch between setups for different students or subjects. Here we see that another profile has its own setup for hidden tiles, custom tiles, light or dark mode, and the number of plates. We hope you enjoy Rooted in Language letter tiles.